No, 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 no.
Meaning ng FEU.
Firearms Explosive Office.
Very good.
Oh my God!
Very good. O, di ba? Alam kayo, mamaya di nyo alam yun. So siya,
Supervisory Office for Security Investigation Agency.
Arcesio,
Regional Civil Security Unit.
Madira. Ikaw ang pinakamabait eh. Hindi ko alam siya. So siya,
Supervisory Office for Security Guard and Investigation.
kung may mas may security guard ka pa.
Dati siya sinasabi yung dati. Yun ang hinahanap ko.
For Security and Investigation Agency.
Ulit.
Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agency.
Arcesio.
Regional Civil. Regional Unit Security. Regional Civil Security Unit. Mga blank sa inyo.
Paulungon ka pa kasi O kampo. Imposible na mo makabisado. Kabisado mo na sigurado na ubos na yung buhok mo kaka-recite eh. So siya,
Supervisory Office for Security Agency. Office. Investigation Office.
office.
Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Office. Agency.
Office. So siya nga dulo laging office.
Ayaw, di ma.
Pera.
License to operate.
License to operate. FP. FP. License to operate. Ang layo naman ng EPO mo, license to operate.
Ano yun, sir?
Ha? EPO?